This is a guided visualization on grounding our tornado. The goal is to regain control, to be able to manage our feelings and our physical manifestations of anxiety and stress, rather than working on extinguishing them, because sometimes that is not realistic. Okay. Go ahead and take a breath. And allow yourself to sit comfortably. Please close your eyes if you feel safe, or you can leave them on a soft gaze. And let's take one more breath. Now, imagine your anxiety or your stress as a tornado. Can you locate this feeling in your body? Where do you feel it? Your hands, your head, your jaw, behind your eyes, or is it your feet? Now just notice it. And pretend that these feelings are energy, spirals. Concentrate on the feeling in your body. Is it a steady hum? Is your heart racing? Does it feel like a weight? Does it feel chaotic? If the sensation were going into a spiral, what direction would it be moving? Clockwise or counterclockwise? Now notice, how big is this tornado? What is its color? Does it have a smell? How heavy is it? How fast is it going? What is it carrying? And take a breath. And now with your mind, change the direction and move the spiral in the opposite direction. It's going to resist. It will move slowly, but continue to push it further and further, inch by inch. And notice all of its sensations. Noticing what is happening as it is moving in the opposite direction. Has the weight shifted? Has the tornado gotten smaller? Has it become lighter? Has it slowed? Take a moment and feel and notice what is in your control, and what you have accomplished. Now, if you would like, rub your hands together, just enough to create warmth, and place one hand over your heart and the other on your stomach, and feel the heat. And breathe. And do this for as long as you need. Thank you.